gonna see if I can't get this guy to find this stuff. Right, you can buy these poles. I really like these poles. You see, they have a spring to them, and they hold the plastic up really well. They actually grip the plastic too. But I use these all the time to try to get, try to keep the dust out of people's houses the best I can. So I've got this sealed up pretty well. The dust shouldn't get over here. This is the kitchen. I just got to close this up right now. I didn't do this, somebody else did. This plastic really has seen its day. It's really seen better days. But I have to try to get this all done. And then I messed up, guys. So even professionals mess up. I forgot this patch yesterday. So this is all Durabond. So I have to hit this patch first thing so I can get this done. Now I just want to sand. I've got a bunch of little bits and pieces all around here. I want to sand. If you remember, I did this. That I had to. That's my 6. It's not a sponge. I had this here that I had to sand a little bit. Cut the edges in. Right? All of this is done, and now I have this corner bead. Doesn't take much, just a little bit of sanding, and this is done. And then this is all detail work down here. I can't really get in here and understand this is going to be stained. So I have to make sure I keep it off of this. This is going to be painted. That's not too necessary. Even if I have mud on the painted surfaces, you're never going to know. But the stained surfaces, you will definitely know. But the painter will take care of that too. I actually need a little bit of sandpaper. That's why I like to put 2 pieces on my pole, because look at it, I just pulled that off. Still have a brand new piece on there. Now I can fold this. Fold it, and fold it, and fold it. Now I can get right in here and detail this out. Actually feels very good. Sometimes when you get really old, you can't see the stuff very well, but you can feel it. I can feel a little bit of something right there. And where I think I might need some extra work, I take my hand and I touch it. That feels really good now. So you can feel it, feel the bad spots too. Beautiful, beautiful. And then this is going to get trimmed up here. That will be done. I have this to do in here, but before I do that, I want to detail this out a little bit. Done? Oh, look what the cameraman did. You know what my motto is, don't you? Never admit to anything and always blame everybody else. If you really like us, subscribe. What else? Subscribe, share, Amazon, Patreon. Hey, Patreon, if you donate enough money, we'll get you one of these, all right? Amazon, Patreon, subscribe, share, you name it. Let's grow. Let's be a big community. You guys have a great day.